Today, we're diving into the Seed Starter Tray with Humidity Dome from Mimulike, a fantastic solution for indoor gardening enthusiasts. This kit functions as a mini greenhouse, creating a stable environment ideal for seedlings to thrive. The transparent Humidity Dome allows you to control moisture levels, ensuring optimal conditions for germination and early growth. Crafted from durable, thick plastic, these trays are built to last, making them a sustainable choice for multiple planting seasons. Each tray contains 60 cells, perfect for a variety of seeds including vegetables, flowers, and herbs. The design facilitates easy transplanting. Simply remove the seedlings without disturbing their roots. Reducing transplant shock. One standout feature is the convenience of labeling. The trays come with markers to label each cell, noting the plant variety and sowing date for easy tracking of growth progress. This thoughtful addition helps gardeners stay organized and attentive to their plants' needs. Whether you're new to gardening or a seasoned pro, this seed starter tray is a game changer. It simplifies the germination process, ensures strong seedling development, and promotes a greener thumb with every harvest. If you're looking to kickstart your indoor garden with reliable equipment, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.